Can you give me a quote for my two-bedroom, two-bath condo?
Sure, I can give you some information. Our rates do depend on the size of your home and the type of cleaning you're looking for. For a specific quote, just message Alexa next door.
All right, sounds good. Thanks.
You're very welcome. Alexa looks forward to potentially helping you with your cleaning needs and providing that personalized, reliable service.